the range of values of x which the function f of x equals 3x squared plus 8x plus 2 is an increasing function. Now, to help us understand this topic, what I've done, I've sketched this out, okay, on the computer, okay. So I've gone to this website and inputted the function, and this is what it gave me. Of course, it's a smiley face, quadratic curve, yeah, and we've got this sort of presented to us here. Now, where is an increasing function? What I'm interested in is when the curve is increasing relative to x. So as x is increasing, the curve is also increasing. In other words, the curve is going up. And of course, where it's increasing is from the minimum point here, okay, all the way obviously to infinity. So those are the x values I will be interested in, okay. All of the x values from that minimum point, okay, all the way to infinity, because that graph will keep increasing, keep going up towards infinity as x goes towards infinity. So that's where the function is increasing, okay. Here, of course, the function is decreasing, isn't it? The graph is going down. Now, with this part of the curve, you just need to appreciate, okay, of course, at this part of the curve, the gradient is going to be positive, isn't it? Okay, so that's what we're interested in for increasing functions. We need to look at the situation where the gradient is positive. So if we go to the question here, and we'll answer it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to look at what the gradient is here. Okay, so we're going to do dy by dx. Okay, now of course another way of writing dy by dx, okay, is f dash of x. Okay, so we're going to use that notation in this topic simply because they're given the function in terms of f of x. You know, they haven't said y equals, they've said f of x. So instead of writing dy by dx, I'll write f dash of x, just a different notation. So I differentiate this, bring the 2 down, so I get 6x, and then of course that becomes 8, and the 2 will disappear. So what I could say then is, for an increasing function, okay, for an increasing function, dy by dx, or f dash of x, will be greater than 0. So in other words, my expression here for f dash of x, which is 6x plus 8, will be greater than 0. And now this is quite simple to solve, right? It's a linear inequality. So all I've got to do is take that 8 over to the side, of course, becomes a minus 8. And then take the 6 over and divide. So I get that. So I get x is greater than minus, in fact, then 4/3. So that's the range of solutions so that I've got an increasing function. And if you go back to the graph, you could see here, yeah, that would be minus 4/3, yeah, on my graph. Okay, so everything greater than that is where I've got positive gradient, where the function is increasing.